Hey guys, this is Aishwaryaa from GateFit, and in today's video, let's see how to do mountain climbers. First, let's get into the high plank position, both legs back, hands right below your shoulders and your hip at your shoulder height. From this position, you're going to drive one knee forward without touching the floor between both your hands, or you can drive it towards the opposite hand elbow. Go back and quickly bring the other leg forward. So while doing this, you need to make sure you're not raising your hip high, just maintain it at your shoulder height. Do this action as fast as you can for the perfect mountain climbers, a very good full body workout. Reiterating on the common mistake people do is raising their hip high. You need to constantly know where your body is positioned, shoulders above your wrist and hip aligned with your shoulders. Hope this was helpful and thanks.